Bachelor of Computer Applications BCA students, your project journey starts now. BCSP 165 is the most important course code for your final semester project. This project gives you practical exposure to software development, web application design. Many students face issues in writing the synopsis and preparing the complete project report. Lack of guidance, late submission and rejection. Submit your synopsis now for December TE session. The submission time is from August to October and project submission takes place in October and November. For June TE session, the synopsis submission starts from Feb. The final project is submitted. Do not wait till the last moment. Get your synopsis ready now. Self-GAN provides expert support from professionals who prepare projects exactly as per IGNOU guidelines at an afford and Viva preparation. Self-GAN ensures your project gets approved on time and helps you achieve the best grades in your BCA. Self-GAN now at 9699784305 or visit selfganigna.com to start your project preparation today. Remember, timely project submission means guaranteed success. Take help. Self-GAN, your trusted project partner.